Welcome to Smart DX Media, where public health, education, information, and our general well-being are extensively considered very important. Kindly watch, subscribes, share and hit the notification bell icon so that, each time we release new health tips or videos, you should be notified as well. How to get strong bones and joints. Calcium deficiency can lead to the loss of bone density and cause pain in joints. How to get strong bones and joints. Losses of bone mass and joint discomfort are both risks of calcium insufficiency. Memory loss, sadness, hallucinations, and muscular spasms are among the common symptoms. Brittleness and fractures are consequences of losing bone mass. Its shortage is connected to a range of age-related health conditions, including the inability to walk, spinal injuries, impairments, and muscular soreness. It has also been noted that the frequently used calcium supplement is not absorbed by humans since the body needs a certain mix of natural molecules to absorb and utilize these supplements. For more information, click here smartdxmedia.com. Kindly watch, subscribes, share and hit the notification bell icon so that, each time we release new health tips or videos, you should be notified as well. How to get strong bones and joints. The inorganic calcium supplements to build strong bones and joints are essentially a type of rock compound that builds up in the soft interior tissues of the human body and deposits in the arteries to induce heart-related diseases and impede blood flow. The inorganic calcium is derived from dolomites, citrate, and calcium carbonate. How to get strong bones and joints involves Ayurvedic processes that combine inorganic calcium with herbs, improve the body's ability to absorb it, reducing the risk of calcium deposits in bodily tissues that might be detrimental. Because the calcium contained in rocks cannot function alone in the human body biologically, herbal supplements can be used to promote strong bones and joints. It needs phytochemicals to help the minerals enter the circulation and stay there in usable form. How to get strong bones and joints also shows that the calcium supplement offered by milk products has a variety of drawbacks compared to the calcium supplement given to 60 human subjects who received specific sets of supplements for 5 weeks, such as calcium carbonate, calcium amino acid chelate, etc. Due to the substances in milk, somatic cells, antibiotic residue, and other chemicals, consuming such a source may cause the body to lose calcium. How to get strong bones and joints involves how calcium deficiency can be identified by symptoms such as sleeplessness, obesity, high blood pressure, abnormal heartbeat, neck pain, muscle pain, memory loss, etc. People having poor sleep patterns and failure to reduce weight may be suffering from its deficiency. Studies have found that the reduction in the level of calcium intake can cause inability to achieve deep sleep, as the chemical melatonin that is related to sleep is prepared from amino acid tryptophan. Calcium in the fat cells can burn fat that causes weight loss, and a low calcium intake can reduce fat burning, causing obesity. Kindly watch, subscribes, share and hit the notification bell icon so that, each time we release new health tips or videos, you should be notified as well. How to get strong bones and joints includes calcium tablets are herbal supplements which can be taken to get strong bones and joints. The ingredients in the tablets include katika and oyster shell, processed through a series of stages to get the final supplements. Oyster shell contains a number of supporting minerals such as copper, phosphorus, cobalt, magnesium, zinc, potassium, iron and vitamins such as A, B, D and K for absorption, and hence, the compound can be effectively absorbed into human systems and prevent deficiency to get strong bones and joints. Katika is naturally available calcium, and it is mixed with oyster shell and certain other chemicals to manufacture herbal supplements to get strong bones and joints. For more information on how do I make my bones and joints stronger, click here smartdxmedia.com. Kindly watch, subscribes, share and hit the notification bell icon so that, each time we release new health tips or videos, you should be notified as well. How to get strong bones and joints includes the regulation of human bone formation and bone density, which occurs throughout childhood and adolescence. Girls reach their peak bone density around age 18. The 20-year-old years are when this occurs to boys. As you age, it's important to preserve bone mass and work to slow the pace of bone loss. As we age, our bodies lose bone density. After menopause, women are more susceptible to osteoporosis. Bone density is the measure of the amount of calcium and other minerals in your bones. Both osteoporosis and osteopenia, disorders that cause decreased bone mass, are characterized by low bone density, brittle bones. In young people, maintaining bone mass has been linked to a diet high in green and yellow vegetables. Click here smartdxmedia.com. Disclaimer: the information in this article or video cannot and should not replace a medical consultation and must not be used for self-diagnosis or treatment, but rather clinical awareness or public health.